guys, it's your librarian, Mrs. May, and today's November the 3rd. It's National Computer Security Awareness Day. And our friends at commonsensemedia.org and others would like to remind you to make sure you change your passwords frequently. So that means don't use anything that's really common to you that you've told a bunch of people. Make sure you keep your passwords safe. Also, to update your software to make sure that you're running the most current or recent security measures available to you. And never click on a link that you're not sure what it is, especially during this time, during the holiday season. There are a lot of scams out there. So just because you think it might be Amazon, make sure you read the whole URL, that information at the top of the bar, to make sure it's not anything that is scam, like someone's pretending to be Amazon or Walmart. Alright guys, I hope you have a wonderful day. Welcome back from our break, and have a great day. Thanks. Bye.